Namaste, good evening. Let us begin. Sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Let us invoke the grace of Goddess Mahalakshmi one more time as we wrap up our final session of Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us chant the opening prayer together. Sharanagata Deenartha Paritrana Parayane सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते. Let us take the blessings of the Divine Mother. Gently open your eyes. So we'll first look at the Phalashruti and then we will do the complete chanting. Okay. So the Phalashruti, as we all know, it is the fruit of chanting this particular stotram. Usually it is considered as optional. In some stotrams, the Phalashruti is also chanted along with the stotram. In some cases, it is not chanted. In this particular Ashtakam, the Phalashruti is also chanted. And here it consists of 3 verses. Let us first look at the pronunciation. Mahalakshmashtakam. Mahalakshma Ashtakam. So it's Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. Combine Mahalakshmashtakam. Mahalakshmashtakam. Stotram. Stotram. Mahalakshmashtakam Stotram. Yaha. There is a visarga followed by pa. Patet. Patet. Tha Mahaprana. So whenever the visarga is followed by pa or pha, we join it together and we say yaf patet. It's not a fa, it is when you have to bring the lips together and that makes that sound of uh, f. Yaf patet. Yaf patet. Bhaktiman naraha. Bha Mahaprana. Bhaktiman naraha. Yaf patet. Bhaktiman naraha. Sarva, sarva, it is not sarva. There's no W in Sanskrit, it's only V. So, sarva, sarva, siddhi, siddhi. There is a Mahaprana dhi here, siddhi, mavapnoti. Sarva siddhi mavapnoti. Sarva siddhi mavapnoti. Rajyam, rajyam प्राप्नोति. राज्यं प्राप्नोति. सर्वदा, सर्वदा. राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा. So here, whoever is reciting this Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Stotram, reciting, reading, chanting, all included, for that Bhaktiman, for that devotee, Sarva Siddhi, gains success, Siddhi, in all his or her efforts. And Rajyam Prapnoti Sarvada, gains Rajyam in the sense sovereignty, but we can also take it as gains victory, where you are trying to conquer something, right? It could be any challenge that is in your way. So you are gaining that Rajyam over that challenge in your life. So those are the benefits that are highlighted. 2 of them highlighted in this first shloka. Let's chant together. Mahalakshmashtakam stotram महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति 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 राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा. 2 lines. महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा. All together 3 times. Complete shloka. महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा. The second shloka of the Phalashruti. Ekakale, ekakale. In Tamil we have a, right? But here in Sanskritam it is always a. Ekakale pathen nityam. Pathen nityam. Tha mahaprana. Pathen nityam. There is a half na and a full ni. So stress on that half na. Pathen nityam. Mahapapa vinashanam. Mahapapa vinashanam. Dvikalam. This is half the and a full V. So Dvikalam Yaha Pathen Nityam. Again Visarga followed by Pa. So we join together and say Yaf Pathen Nityam. Yaf Pathen Nityam. Dvikalam Yaf Pathen Nityam. Dhana dha mahaprana. Dhanya samanvitaha. Dhana dhanya samanvitaha. So here depending on the number of times we recite in a day. So ekakale means once a day. Whoever recites this ashtakam once a day, such a devotee will gain destruction of all the sins. Mahapapa vinashanam, destruction of all sins. Dvikalam, twice. Dvi means twice. So Dvikalam yaf paten nityam. Whoever recites this ashtakam twice a day will be blessed with dhana, wealth, and dhanya, food or grains. So as we discussed yesterday, it's not only about wealth. With the wealth, we need to be able to buy food. Only then that wealth has value, isn't it? So without, if you're not able to buy food with that money, then we can't eat that piece of paper. So both Dana and Danya both are given equal importance. Dhana Dhanya Samanvitaha. So such a devotee will be blessed with wealth and food. Let us chant. एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् 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 द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः धनधान्यसमन्वितः धनधान्यसमन्वितः. 2 lines. एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः. Complete shloka 3 times. एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः. Continuation. Trikalam. Trikalam. This is 3. 3, as you can guess, someone who reads thrice a day. Trikalam yaf pathen nityam. Trikalam yaf pathen nityam. Mahashatru. Mahashatru vinashanam. Mahashatru vinashanam. Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmir bhaven nityam. So there is a half ra here. So join together and say Mahalakshmir bhaven nityam. Mahalakshmir bhaven nityam. Bha Mahaprana. And here Mahalakshmi. There is a Dhirga mi. Mahalakshmir bhaven nityam. Prasanna. Prasanna. Varada. Shubha. Shubha, Bha Mahaprana. Prasanna, Varada, Shubha. So, we are seeing what is the benefit when we chant once a day, twice a day, and now here thrice a day. Whoever chants this Ashtakam thrice a day, the benefit is destruction of all enemies. Even the worst of worst enemies, Mahashatru, will be destroyed. Mahashatru Vinashanam. And goddess Mahalakshmi, she is the Varada, she is the giver of boons. And such a Mahalakshmi, who is the giver of boons, she will be pleased, prasanna, she'll feel very pleasant, happy by such devotees. Here it is not about once or twice or thrice will her, a state of pleasing will be more or less, that doesn't matter. That's not mentioned here. It is all about that whoever chants, the giver of boons, Mahalakshmi Devi, She will be very pleased with such a devotee. Let us chant. त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं 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 महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं 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 प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा. 2 lines. त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्या प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा. 3 times the complete shloka. त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा. So with this we have completed the Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. So whenever we chant Phalashruti, it is the Phalashruti is given as a motivating factor, but it doesn't mean we only focus on the Phalashruti. We chant for the love of chanting, for the devotion, and Phalashruti is like something that is mentioned, but we don't necessarily have to focus on it too much. So it's not, again, not focusing on the results, but enjoying the act of chanting and surrendering our devotion, feeling that sense of devotion. That is the priority of all these stotras. Let us now do the complete chanting. We'll go together. Namastestu Mahamaye श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते सिद्धिबुद्धिप्रदे देवी भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्तिमहेश्वरी योगज्ञे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। स्थूलसूक्ष्ममहारौद्रे महाशक्तिमहोदरे महापापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्मातः महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगस्थिते जगन्मातः महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा। एककाले पठेन्नित्यं महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं धनधान्यसमन्वितः त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनम् महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा। You can chant one more time. Take a deep breath. नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। सिद्धिबुद्धिप्रदे देवी भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्तिमहेश्वरी योगज्ञे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। स्थूलसूक्ष्ममहारौद्रे महाशक्तिमहोदरे महापापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्मातः महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगस्थिते जगन्मातः महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तु ते। महालक्ष्मष्टकं स्तोत्रम् यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा। एककाले पठेन्नित्यम् महापापविनाशनम् द्विकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् धनधान्यसमन्वितः त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यम् महाशत्रुविनाशनम् महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन्नित्यम् प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा. Gently close your eyes. Let the vibrations of the chanting settle down. Let us take the commitment to include this shloka in our chanting routine. If not every day, at least every Friday, starting from tomorrow. It hardly takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Let us conclude with a closing prayer. Bring your hands to Namaskaram. We'll chant together. Om Sarvesham Swastirbhavatu Sarvesham Shantirbhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us take the blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi one more time. Let's offer our gratitude at the feet of the Divine Mother. Gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining. And I hope this chanting was easy compared to the various other stotras we have learned. So do include this in your chanting routine. I will see you all again in another stotram very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Anuji.